In this video, I'll show you how to change your name in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. So all you have to do is launch the game on your device and get to this homepage. And then from here, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Here it is. So tap on it. And then you should get to your player profile page. Now at this point, you should notice your name here. Mine is Anon275525 and all that. So if you want to change the name, simply tap on the pencil icon next to it, and then you get to this page. Now from here, ensure that you have enough tokens. So tokens, you get them at least, you'll get a token after every 6 months, and you can carry up to 2 tokens at a given time. So ensure that you have enough tokens. For me, I have 2 tokens, so I can be able to change the name. So all I have to do is tap on the text field and type it in your new name. Then once you're done, simply confirm the changes. And then you should see these names changed successful. And then all you have to do is just exit and your name has been changed. So sometimes it might not apply immediately. So all you have to do is simply restart the game and the changes will be applied. And that's basically it on how to change your name in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.